I never sweat like this before nang oh. Grabe. Kitaon gid ang balas. Oh, di ba? Ma-workout ka pa ka dyan. Ang hilamon lang kami giyon ni Manang. Pag nagtanom, kakapayas, kag balunggay. It's 10 minutes before 4 o'clock and no more cement. No more work to do. Late start. Tulad kag early release. Ha? Kamang-kamang dito. Pabalhas day ito. Ayan guys. Oh. Grabe. And they are treating the wood up there. Manangga turtle. Si daruntaran? Yes, eh. Hoy. Di mo nakita ah? Tiyo. May gapanago nga turtle. Be pakita tsura amora sa dalom na. Bao. Manang and turtle. Ano nga ra nakaray? Turtle. Saging na saba. Saba tree that need to be planted somewhere in the yard. Maybe over that side. Galomo. The rain. Let's go check the eggs, guys. Manang is not here because she went home visit her husband. Let's see. And guys, we are back in the property. Yeah. Even if it's wet, ayan, dagtan. Yeah. This is our mission for today. This side, up to that side, but we'll see. Fernan planted banana tree right here, and they got 2 babies already. And this, yan. And we have the swimming pool with the carabaos. Yan. Chicken natin. What's going on? You guys don't have no feed? Huh? Hindi makapag-antay. Don't come in here. Huh? Gutong kamugda. Baby, chick. Lagi isang baby. Ay daw mo nga tsura na. Ay daw sulog man. Maway pa, maway pa. Go to cut to. Let's see. Ayaw, may balato nga oh. Let's see. Ooh. 2. Wow. Balatong. It seems like not ready yet. Yummy na lang ubos niya ka dyan. Diba? Ayun, nakain ko naman. Guys, ko tayong ano dito. Ano ba tawag dito? Kalamansi. what ko giging. Look at this. Is that ready? Ayun, oh, malaki sana. Oh. Kunin ko na. So, ayan na yung ating very organic na kalamansi. Yung luya, bawang, sibuyas. And guess what, guys? We're going to make adobo in a jar. No, just kidding. And ito yung kailangan natin. Gawa tayong natural remedies for something. Oh, diba? So, ito na guys yung ating ingredients. Lagay natin itong onions. Lahat na. Ayan. Tapos, ay, ito. Dapat ito na una, sabi ni Kalbo. And then, honey. Ayan. Yung enough to cover lang the ingredients, the mixture. Let's see right there. Tapos i-mix natin. Okay, and then put it on the side. Bali, ano lang siya guys, room temperature lang. Huwag ilagay daw sa ref. And then, I think few days pwede na siyang magamit. Ayan. Yung honey lang. Dagdagan ko kaya yung honey. Ayan. Ayan, okay na yan. Morning guys. So today is a Monday. Dapat may pasok si Julia. Pero absent si Iyay dahil may karamdaman. And right here we are going to get malunggay seeds and calamansi juice. Today we are going to do an antibiotic, antimicrobial, natural remedies. Ayun, tanggal na ano.
Ano na iya o?
Okay. So manang insa ginigot mo rin na?
Para nga ang iya nga.
Mabuo?
Ano,
Tidi nung laki ginbol mo?
Gin tibso ko diyan sa sulod niya. Imbulan ko
I-brush mo laran basi mo layo.
Hindi
Buhay mo na ng panami, kanang uran. Plante. Oh, grabe. Banana. And more banana over there. I planted yesterday. Oh, Sunday. Wow, grabe uran. Oho, katuro ah. It just go that way. There's no gutter. See? See? That's why those are wet. Those are not no gutter. kind of gutter is that? Miracle tree. Oh.
Sila bawa may
And guys, we are going to have soon a mama chicken. Oy, gatubang gid kaya oh. Abaw may ano tanan lang oh. Daw may upaw. Nagtubang ro to yaman ha. Tamwa pabala ka mugi. Anang and I dropping the droppings. Hindi anay pagutang dyan.
sige lang.
Ibutangan ta ka anak. Kartong anay. Compost. Ah, diba? Hindi ang lupo na tuya pa ho na meaning may lupo. O diba? Nagtanong pa kita tos piyak. And man ang planted guava, apple guavas. Right there. Oh. And then there's our citronella. And saging. Oh, diba? Malapit na ang mga hilamon. We have chicken in the property now. You guys, oh. No. Ayan pa. Ha. Guys, oh, we bought fish. Different kind of fishes. Mga marawaan. Ano ta na dyan? Nakaon man dyan?
Yan no?
Finding Nemo nga ra. Dyan.
Mamira sa bawang guys, itong buon mo.
Dyan ta naka-stig. They already got the skin out of it. Ayan, so Manang and I went to the market. We bought some fish, some veggies, and stopped by the market and got me a cloves and cinnamon stick.
Panitan.
Basically, amuran klase na ano. Balisuad siya isa. Di pa ni TV siya kung palatsura ta. Tiga. Hay basi way man mabakal kung palatsura na.
Hindi may bala mo may dakita nang bakal mo. Bala mo may higbis oh.
Oo, okay.
Para mahulas ang kuan di ro magimbis.